To speed up the settlement of VA disability cases and reduce the backlog of claims, the VA established the Veterans Appeals Improvement and Modernization Act, more simply known as the AMA. When your VA disability appeal is processed under the AMA, you must choose one of the three processing lanes: the higher level review lane, the supplemental claim lane, or the appeal to the board lane. Qualifying for VA disability benefits is hard, even though as a veteran, you served your country and you earned your benefits. The VA has complicated rules and procedures to qualify. It can be confusing. That's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, hit the subscribe button. If you have no additional evidence to submit in support of your claim, but you believe that there was an error in the initial decision, the higher level review option may be your best choice. The higher level review officer will only consider evidence that was in VA's possession at the time of the prior decision. You or your attorney will not be able to add new evidence if you are in the higher level review lane, but you can provide a written argument. You may want to select the supplemental claim lane if you have new and relevant evidence to support your benefit claim. Evidence that was not submitted when the agency initially ruled on your claim. It cannot be information that is already in VA records. It cannot be evidence a veteran has previously provided to the VA, or evidence that the VA was legally acquired to obtain on behalf of the veteran. To be considered relevant evidence, your evidence must be facts that the VA was unable to verify at the time of the prior decision. Facts that are necessary to substantiate the claim. The supplemental claim lane does not automatically include an in-person hearing. With the final option, you can appeal your case directly to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. Under the Modernization Act, the VA has created three options for board appeals. Direct review is when you do not want to submit additional evidence or have a hearing. However, you can provide a written argument. If you choose to submit additional case information without a hearing, you can choose the evidence submission option. As you might guess, the final option is to have an in-person hearing where you or your attorney submit additional proof. If you disagree with the VA's decision in any of these lanes, you have the right to appeal that decision. Because each appeals case has its own unique set of facts and conditions, there is no one-size-fits-all here. Choosing the best lane is best decided on a case-by-case analysis. While it's good that veterans have options in pursuing their disability appeals, as you can see, choosing the most advantageous option can be complicated. Therefore, it is best to consult with a VA-accredited attorney to talk about your options and get the guidance in deciding what makes the most sense for your individual case. For a free evaluation of your case and advice on your specific situation, contact us at Cuddigan Law. We are accredited VA disability attorneys who have been supporting veterans for years. If you hire us to fight for your rights, we only get paid when you win your case.